We can't.
And
sorry, Deputy.
what we've done,
we can't hear what's going on.
What we've done in government is we have nearly 2 million people back at work, including a lot of the people who actually entered into difficulties. But you don't want to hear it.
Well, please, there's no. If we lower the noise level, we might get some answers. Tánaiste, please. Well, order
You're
now,
obviously
please,
not
from everybody.
interested in any answers. You're just interested.
Please, Deputy.
Listen, Barry, anger isn't a policy. Anger isn't a policy. It's not a policy. It's not a policy,
Please.
anger. And if you're interested, rather than trying to make some hay and cheap political capital out of people in mortgage difficulties, you would actually address the issue. Listen, you know, there's enough histrionics now from you at the moment to fill the Abbey Theatre any night. So just lay off. The colleague beside you said you're taking the ball and walking off the pitch. You're not going to be involved in government. So what are we to believe? Contribution you try to make? If you are gracious enough to give me the opportunity to address it.
Thank you.
Of course I'll address it.
Yeah.
No, eventually, after your histrionics.
No, there is a time limit on all sides.
Will you lay off the histrionics?
Please.
Will you lay off the histrionics? Well, if you want an answer, then you just have to actually shut up for a while and listen to the answer.
Thank you, Tánaiste. Sorry, Tánaiste, the time is concluded now, please. Thank you. I now call